So you launch the missile, and it gets up into revs, and as you open throttle, it's turning that turbine on its way
so
up
you
to
can
the
feel it. You can feel it kicking.
Yes, and it goes through this null point because of the way that my runner is. So there's a null point, and then once it hits 1, it just starts gaining.
Gotcha.
Now I don't have a tach, so I didn't know what RPM I was at when I was having it zooming in its happy place, and I know I didn't have it in the happy place when I was in the mile.
Hey, are you hungry?
Sure,
We
why
got
not?
food, dude.
Yeah.
How are we doing? How's your week going?
Good. 2 records. We're all measured, and we're just
You're a
waiting
record
to be
machine.
ratified. Nah, not really.
Well, how many years did you get skunked here?
Probably 14.
Really?
Yeah, we haven't gotten records except in the last few years.
Oh.
I'm real
Yeah,
happy to see you get an AMA plate now.
Yeah, we paid dues, and we chased stuff for a lot of years, and my dad was involved in it. This was his dream, was to race a car here, but then he got married, and our family
Things happen.
life
Family happens,
yeah. And he couldn't do it, so he raced at El Mirage a couple times with his car, and that was back in the day when he lived in Redondo Beach. He drove his car out there
And run it.
made changes, ran it, and then made changes and drove it home. That was back in the day. So he wanted to be involved in this. After we got started when the World's Fastest Indian came out, we watched that movie and said, shit, let's go for his record. Well, I bought a bike to go after his record. I hadn't talked to anybody or anything. And then I came out here and spectated for 2 years. We told people what we were going to do, and they said, oh, no, don't touch Brooks' record. We will, 99% of the people on the salt will never speak to you again. I said, okay, shit, now I'm paying off this bike. What am I going to make? And I met another guy, and he goes, just build another fucking bike. So I built a bike. Anyway, long story short, my dad died in 17, and we had not gotten a record. And I wanted to get a record to at least honor my dad's, So, and he had paid for the frame. He wanted to be part of it, so he paid for the chassis. Anyway, if you look at my bike, his picture's on the tank. So so I found a record that was attainable. It was an open record, and that was the blown record, so I got that. So now we have 6. So I have some SCTA records.
I made these up.
Oh, sweet, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody
I'll
else.
put it in my shop, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I want to take a picture of your tattoo. Is that all right?
Oh, yeah. Because I got Bonneville here.
Yeah. Tell me the tattoo story.
Bonneville's my passion, so I wanted to do that. And then another bucket list for me and my dad to do together was go to the Isle of Man. So I went this year.
You did?
Yeah. And I got this there. And then I had this done after I got back, but it's not finished. On the 2nd of September, they're going to fill all this in so that this pops out. Okay?
So,
And then this is Live Fast, because that's what we do. I don't know.
so where are you from?
I live in Colorado now for 35 years, but I grew up in Southern California.
Southern California.